In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the TradingView application on a Windows 10 or 11 PC. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, TradingView's powerful tools can greatly enhance your trading experience. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and successful installation. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Brave, or any other browser you regularly use. Once your browser is open, type in the address bar tradingview.com/desktop and hit enter. This link will take you directly to the official TradingView desktop app page. It's important to access the correct page to ensure you're downloading the genuine software. On the desktop app page, you'll notice a prominent download button for Windows. Click on this button, and the installer file will start downloading to your computer. Typically, this file will be found in your Downloads folder, but the exact location might vary if you've set a different default download path. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where the installer file is stored. You'll want to double-click on this file to begin the installation process. As you do this, you may encounter a pop-up asking for permission to run the installer. If so, go ahead and click Yes or Allow to proceed. Now follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The installation process is straightforward, with prompts guiding you step by step. Make sure you read each screen, as you might be asked whether to create desktop shortcuts or choose a folder for the installation. After making your selections, allow the installer to do its work. This process might take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you can locate the TradingView app, usually found in your Start menu or on your desktop. Click to launch the application, and the program will open up to present you with the login page. Here, you'll have the option to sign in with your existing TradingView account. If you don't have an account yet, there's no need to worry. You can simply sign up for a new one by following the provided prompts. Logging in will grant you access to all the robust features TradingView has to offer, from advanced chart analysis tools to real-time data. Having the app on your desktop means you're never more than a click away from your trading platform, making your trading experience both efficient and seamless. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to installing TradingView on your Windows PC. With the app now ready to use, you're all set to dive deeper into market data and enhance your trading strategies. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave